The following is brought to you in part by Panasonic.
All right, Kevin, here we are, the dreaded laundry room. I'm not going to lie, it's my least favorite chore. Please tell me you have created something to help me do my laundry more efficiently.
Yes, please. Don't be scared about laundry, especially now. We've introduced a new laundry set for the washer and as well as the dryer. It's basically taking the think work out of doing all the laundry for you and making sure that whatever you put in here that you've just worn for the week or for the day that may be soiled, you're going to put it in here. It's going to do all the work for you. The only thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take it out and fold it yourself.
Oh, dang.
We're not there yet. We're not there yet.
Tell me what we have here then.
Sure. So this is our new W1 washing machine.
Okay.
What's so great about this is that it has its own automatic detergent dispensing. What does that mean? So up here, I'm showing you two detergents here. One is your standard detergent, and then one is an oxidized bleach. Every cycle that you put in here, you're going to go towards the panel. You're going to program what you're putting in, what colors, white, dark, colors. You're also going to say how soiled are your clothes, light, medium, or heavy. That's all you have to do. You're going to choose your function, start. At the time when it's ready to add detergent to it, it's going to pull it in automatically. You're going to add the right amount for the laundry that you have in there. Every load is also going to get bleach or oxidized bleach. You would think, why am I going to put bleach into a dark? What would happen? It would ruin it. You'd get spots. Because this is an oxidized bleach, very low in terms of the bleach count, it's not going to hurt anything. It actually refreshes your laundry and your textiles. It's all about textiles, and we're thinking about, that was the first thing we started with in Germany, is laundry. So we've had 120 years that we've perfected this to make sure that we're taking care of every textile that you're putting in here. Anything from cotton to silk to cashmere to wool. Some things I just listed right there you probably wouldn't think about doing yourself.
We would never put in the washer.
With the W1 you could do that.
Wow, so tell me, do we need to have these detergents? That's compatible with
you
the...
do.
Okay.
Yes, you do. So if you look down here below, it says Twindos, and that's what we call it. We call it Twindos. So it's got an opening down here where you would put each one of these containers in.
Okay.
You put it in, you push it all the way in, and close the door, and you basically set it and forget it. Once it runs, and it's running about 35 loads of laundry, 35 cycles, if it's connected to your mobile phone, which we have the capabilities now these days with our mobile phones, it's going to remind you that you need to order more detergents. That is one aspect in terms of how it works in terms of pulling in the detergents at the right time. But I talked about that mobile phone aspect of it before.
Yes, tell me more about that.
Not only is it telling you that you're running low, but you can order it right from the phone to our Miele store to replenish your laundry.
Easy.
But in addition to the phone as well, you can start it or stop it. So let's say you started your laundry, but you forgot that one item, or you found that one item falling on the floor, that one sock. There's always that one sock that falls behind. So you want to bring it down. So you're going to stop it on your phone because maybe you're in a different floor, different room outside. You can stop it from your mobile app, put that sock in and restart it. Even at the same time you wanted to stop it for something like that, or you had to go out of the house, because a lot of people don't like to run their laundry when they leave the house.
Right.
You forgot to do it, you're in the car, you can do it right then and there. You also can monitor how much time is left in the cycle, so you can get your next load ready to go, or making sure that you're there to switch it out. Because you don't want to waste time when you're doing laundry, you just want to get it done.
Exactly.
But this is taking care of all the options for you.
Well, you guys have thought of it all, actually.
We have.
Now only the folding part. We
no,
only need the folding part.
But you know what, we got to dry the clothes first. So why don't we
let's
slide over a
move
little
over
bit?
to that. Yep.
So if you look at these models alone, so they're very European size.
Yes.
Okay, but you can fit actually a lot of laundry in here. So this is just our dryer alone, all the great technologies that we've perfected over the course of a couple of years. The honeycomb drum inside, the heat bars that's going to be drying your clothes as it's going. But the greatest thing about these appliances is that they can go anywhere in your home. They run on 110 volt, great for your market. Great for the customer. They don't have to worry about changing to a 210 volt or 220 volt in their house. They don't have to worry about getting an electrician in, plugs into a standard volt. As long as you have a water line and a water discharge line, that's all you need, because our dryer is heat pump technology, ventless. It does not need to be vented outside. So a lot of homes or apartments, they want laundry, but they can't have it because of the rules, because you have to run a line outside. This is a ventless. So it does all the mechanics inside. So think about how a car works, how the engine coolant works to cool down that engine. It's doing the same thing in these machines. So it's cooling it down. So as the water goes through, water's being drawn out, it's cooling the machine, so it doesn't have to be vented out.
Yeah, so this is not only amazing for a homeowner, but it would be great for an apartment complex or hotels, something like that in that nature, right?
Absolutely, because everyone has some little niche that they could fit this into. Whether they don't have laundry but they want it, you can actually put it in your closet. You can put it in your basement. You can find an area on your room floor.
Yeah.
There's an opportunity for you to put it because it could be stacked on top of one another.
Oh, they can be.
They can go side by side. We have it here displayed on our pedestals, but you can stack it so it takes up less room in your closet. So one side could be your clothes, and the other side could be your laundry. And then we have it all here too. And it does, as you see here, it's operating. It's a mobile at home. So it's using our mobile app also. Again, like the laundry, you get to manage it via your phone here as well. Again, start it, stop it, see how much time is on. If you forgot to say like, oh, I just put this in, but what cycle did I put it on? You actually get to then see what cycle is to remind yourself what you did.
I love that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. Because sometimes I'm like, oh, I didn't put it on delicate mode. And then you have to go and just hope that your clothes aren't ruined.
Absolutely.
But from the phone, you can monitor that and switch it over immediately.
Absolutely. Because the last thing you want to do is shrink something that really is important to you.
Exactly.
Our machines also are really built because people invest a lot in their clothes. You shouldn't
really
have to wear it 1 year and it's threaded and you have to throw it away and buy a new one. You invested money in it, so you want it to last.
Right.
Just like our appliances are. And again, last more than 20 years. You want your clothes to last more than 1 year.
Exactly.
So our machines are operating that's going to make sure that it's taking care of those textiles. Many people think about textiles, but it is about textiles, what we actually wear.
100%.
So again, you have a lot of different settings on the machine as well. So depending on what you're putting in, it's very self-explanatory, very intuitive. It's walking you through what's going on.
Too?
Yes.
Oh, I would never dare.
Yes.
Well, Kevin, this is fantastic. Thank you so much for showing me the products here at Miele.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. And you're watching First to the Future TV right here at the 2019 Kitchen and Bath Show.